Hello and welcome all. I am Akshay Rathod from Coding Venture and let's start our today's topic of discussion. In the today's video we are going to build a wealth calculator application in Android and it will be our first application. Okay, so let's take a view of wealth calculator or what actually wealth calculator is. And here you can see it's a SIP calculator. It's a systematic investment planning kind of thing. Okay, what it actually means and what we are going to do in this video. So here you can see if I invest rupees 1000 every month or 10,000 every month in a plan which gives me a rate of interest, annual rate of interest of 15%. Okay, you can change it here also. And if I invest it for 30 years, okay, then what should be I will get. Okay, the total my investment amount is here you can see it will be near about 36 lakhs or 3.6 millions. Okay, and the total returns what I will get is you can see here it's around 6.64 crores or you can see it's 66 millions. Okay, so it calculates the compounded growth of your investment. So we can say that it is a wealth calculator or simple investment plan or SIP calculator. So what we are going to do, we are going to build this in our Android Studio today. And what we are going to do is we are going to create a new project. So here click on the new project tab. You can see this is the new project. Okay, just click on the new project. And what we are going to do, we are going to build a simple activity and we are going with old school way. I know this course is for composed Android Compose, but in the beginning we are going to see how the old way of Android actually works. So select empty activity, click on the next. You can see here my application. You can change here your application name, Wealth Calc. Okay, so it's somewhat fancy name I am giving to it. So here you can change the domain whatever you want or your company domain. I am keeping it same as it is. This is my company domain. Okay, so what should be the location of this? So let's change the location of this from here. So I am going to C drive users. Okay, then I need to go to desktop. Let's open it. Then I need to go to SIP. This is the folder I created and I just going to click OK. We are going to work with Kotlin. The API level is 21, that is Android 5.0 Lollipop. And here you can see it will cover 98% of Android devices currently in the world. Okay, so click on the finish button. Okay, so here your project is getting started. You can see some shortcut here for searching. You can click double shift and so on. It's building my project. Meanwhile, let's have a look how we are going to build this whole thing. So the principle behind the business logic of this wealth calculator. Okay, so for that I am just going to open Paint. Okay, here Paint is open. So let's see, you have invested like rupees 1000, okay, in the first month, and we have rate of interest of 15%. So let's divide it by 12, and what should be it should be 1.25 for every month. So what will happen actually in the first month, at the end of first month, the value of your investment is 1000 that we already have, plus we have the interest added of 1.25%. so 1.25% of 1000 is 12.5 rupees. Okay, so your investment will be 1012 point, so your investment will be 1012.5 rupees. Okay, so in this way at the end of the first month we add the next months of 1000. So in the next at the end of the next month your investment will be 2012.5 plus interest on this amount. Okay, so in this way it will accumulate month by month, year by year, and we need to calculate what it should be at the end of your investment plan. Okay, so let's see our Android application. Okay, here it's scanning the device, and here it's still building. So what we have, actually we got the logic how we are going to build the application. Okay, so let's wait until this application starts. I will pause meanwhile. Okay, so here our project build is successfully finished. So let's have a look. Right, so let's have a quick look to what we have actually. So here you can see the first is the manifest folder. We are currently in Android and Android view. So in manifest folder you will get a file called Android manifest. Okay, so let's quickly open that file and have a quick look what it exactly has. So in Android manifest you have the basic information of your application that is required to Android phone to launch your application, such as your application name and all other things. Okay, so you can see here you have one activity. So activity, you can refer it as a screen in Android, and you can see the Android label. Label is your app name, and it's actually situated in here strings folder in the app name. Okay, so let's have a look. So open the resources, and resources you can open here the values folder. In values folder you will get a file called string. Okay, and string you can see the app name. That app name is Wealth Calc, so it will be referred here, the application name. Okay, so the some or other the some metadata information about your Android application is mentioned here. Okay, next in the Java folder, this is our main class. It is Kotlin class. Actually we are developing the application in Kotlin, so it is main activity.kotlin. So it is the thing where you are going to write your all business logic of your Android application. So you can see it is the Kotlin class main activity. This class is actually inherited by app compact activity. What is the meaning of inheritance? We are going to see in later Kotlin fundamental videos, but you can think it as in this app compact activity some functions or methods are pre-built that we can use, such as this onCreate. This onCreate method is built there itself. Okay, so this is the code file where we are going to write our business logic. After that we have resources folder. It's for res is for resources, and here you can see one drawable folder is there. So what actually the drawable is, you can see the drawable is nothing but your application's basic icons. You can see it's the background image, or when you are going to launch the application, it's the background of your this is your symbol of application which is going to be launched, and that was the background for that. Okay, after that in the layout you can see this is the main activity.main.layout. When I click on this, here also activity main, and you can see here it is the screen or first screen that will launch in your application or your application screen. Here you can see you can do many more things in your applications. Here you can zoom in, zoom out, and do some other things also. If you want to place some text, you can drag this text view and drop it here. So this is your applications activity. After that, okay, we can drag and drop the text view here. So we added a new text view, constraint layout. Okay, you can see we have added the text view, not visible in the code. Here you can see. I will open this window. Once you click on this, you can change its properties from here. You can align this by clicking this. You can align this here at the top. This is the constraint layout actually. It helps you to align your text. Let's align this bottom, this side alignment. Okay, now I will constraint it on the left side here, and so you can see it's constraint successful. Okay, right now here its text is text view. You can see you can change the text here like wealth calculator, wealth calc. That is our application name, right? We have added the constraint. You can see you can change the width and height of your text view from here. Okay, apart from that, you can manually constraint also. You have here, you can see various fields that you can change for your text. All attributes, you can change the various values for your text. Quickly, what I am going to do is I am going to change font size. Okay, here it is the ID of your text view. I can search here font. You can see font family is here. There are various attributes for size, and here you can see the text size. It's already 14 SP. SP is scalable pixel, so let's change it to 24 SP. So right now I am just going to minimize this, and you can see wealth calculator, its font size is increased here. So this is the layout panel where we can design our layout. Okay, after that, let's come to this is the bitmap folder, and in the bitmap folder you get two subfolders like IC launcher and IC launcher for rounded. So it's your launcher, or basically you can have your app icon or the launcher icon. Okay, this one is the your applications icon in your Android phone. You can change it also. Okay, we'll do these basic things in later, but you can have a great idea what actually we have in our folders. After that, you can see a values folder also. In values folder, you have a string. If you want some string that you want to keep at one place and use it in your application at multiple screen and multiple places, then you can create a string reference here, and you can use that reference in your application at multiple places. So you can change in one go when you want to change. After that, there is a color folder, and here you can see all the primary colors or the colors which your application is using. Okay friends, this is all for today. We will meet in the next lecture, and we will design the SIP calculator or Wealth Calc's graphical user interface. Till then, happy coding.